Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4 hours, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from after I upload it, then sure, the chart may look different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Well, as I record right now, we are at a very interesting area. The price has really come to life, and as, like I said, I speak, the price is trying to break up through this red line, which if you've watched the past videos I've done on Bitcoin, I've talked time and time again about this big old sideways channel and how the top of that channel was at right around 93.70, and as of right now, the price is actually up above it. So I'm relatively jealous of those of you that are going to be watching this 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to have a much better idea of what happened. So the big question that you need to ask yourself whenever you're watching this is, what is exactly going on? What has happened with this break? Meaning, where's the price at relative to 93.70? If you're answering that question that the price is now well up above 93.70, well, that is telling you that this current breakout here ultimately turned out to be a true breakout. Maybe you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is down below 93.70. That would just imply that, well, at this point, I'm not going to say it's been a fake breakout, but maybe if the price is pulled back here, it's still got work to do. Right now, it's struggling. You can see it basically got rejected directly at that level right there, rejected. Here, it did break above it, but then quickly pulled back. And right now, right in the middle of another breakout. So that's going to be the big question, like I said, that everybody's going to be asking themselves, just simply, where's the price at relative to that area? So I'm very curious about that, and really that's as straightforward as it gets right now. I mean, this one does not need to be complicated, because gut instincts and common sense will take you far. Meaning, if you are answering the question that the price is above 93.70, at that point it's just, well, how far up above it? And the further the price is up above 93.70, that's just the more bullish, the more powerful of a breakout has actually happened. And then the flip side is actually also true. If you're answering the question that the price is down below 93.70, well, how far down below? And the further the price is down below that level, well, that just means the more and more of essentially a fake breakout that it actually potentially was. So keep your eye on that level going forward. That's really what it all revolves around. Is this finally the start of a much bigger breakout to the upside of this sideways channel? Let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.